shipping company, Onaka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but the work of a smuggler, a businessman, is never done. I have many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, traveling on their fastest ships in the quadrant. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Oh, Chewbacca! Of course you will be compensated for the generous load of your ship, and the Resistance will get the supplies they needed. Maybe a little something for me. It is time to go, my friends. Listen carefully to your mission and try to work together. Your lives depend on it. So let's get you on those ships. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of engineers. Automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off.
Push it.
Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Those Ibitais are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire! Gunners, blast away! Blast! Ah, there it is. After that train! Gunners, fire the hull! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grabbed the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the Resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, fire the harpoons. Pilots, into the center. Well, it's harder than it looks. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! Now, let's get out of here! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the Resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Ooh. Now, after my modest profit, your god, Minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. R5, damage report. Engine failure. Alright. Hyperdrive leak. That is not good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. Okay, that's up. Time for you to go.